Right now, 73% of people are about to drift into 2026 with zero plan for their money. And here's what happens when you drift. You're not going to be one of them, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm breaking down the exact 9-step system that will put you in complete control of your money in 2026. Stick around to number 7. It's the one that 99% of people skip, but it's literally the difference between staying broke and building real wealth. Let's go. First thing, and this is fun, do your money wrapped. You know how Spotify shows you listen to All I Want for Christmas 47 times this year? Well, it's time to see your money habits laid out the same way. Pull up your bank statements right now and answer these 3 questions. Question 1. What was my total income this year? Question 2. What did I actually spend? Question 3. Did I have a surplus or a deficit? Here's the crazy part most people miss. Count your savings as spending. Why? Because then your surplus shows you money that's literally doing nothing. That's wasted potential. If you have $6,000 just sitting there, that could be $500 more per month invested without you even feeling it. Step 2 is critical. Most people are driving blind. If you don't know these 11 numbers, you're just guessing with your money. Number 1. Total assets. Everything you own. Number 2. Total liabilities. Everything you owe. Number 3. Net worth. Assets minus liabilities. Number 4. Your 3 credit scores. Yes, all 3. Number 5. Monthly take-home income. What actually hits your account. Number 6. Monthly expenses. What goes out. Number 7. Discretionary income. This is your power number. The cushion left over. Number 8. Percentage of income invested. Your wealth building rate. Number 9. Interest rates. What you earn and what you pay. Number 10. Emergency fund. Current balance and target. Number 11. Retirement number. Using the rule of 25-inch. Quick example. If you spend $50,000 a year, multiply by 25. That's $1.25 million you need invested to retire safely. Now you know your target. Step 3. Time to find the money leaks. The average person wastes $273 every month on subscriptions they forgot about. Streaming services you don't watch, gym memberships you don't use, apps you downloaded once. That's $3,276 a year down the drain. But here's where the real money is, your big 3 expenses. Housing, transportation, and food make up 60 to 70% of most people's spending. Cutting your daily coffee? That saves maybe $100 a month. Moving to an apartment that's $300 cheaper? That's $3,600 a year instantly. Focus on the giants, not the ants. Step 4 sounds boring, but it's powerful. Write down your monthly money plan. We call it a budget, but think of it as giving every dollar a job. Money without a plan disappears. It's not about restriction. It's about intention. Written income, written expenses, written priorities. This one step separates the people who wonder where their money went from the people who tell their money where to go. Step 5. Kill bad debt with extreme prejudice. Bad debt is any debt on something that's not going up in value. Credit cards at 24% interest? That's bleeding you dry. Car loans? Your car loses 20% value the second you drive off the lot. Now, I can already hear someone saying, but rich people use debt. Yes, after they're rich. And they use good debt, like real estate that appreciates. Here's your attack plan. List all bad debts. Order by interest rate. Attack the smallest one first for quick wins, or the highest interest first for math wins. Pick one method and execute. Debt freedom creates margin. Margin gives you options. Options give you power. Step 6. Build a real emergency fund. Not $500. Not $1,000. A real safety net. Your target, 3 to 6 months of expenses. If you spend $4,000 a month, that's $12,000 to $24,000. I know that sounds like a lot, but here's the thing, this money is not an investment. It's insurance. When the car breaks down, when the furnace dies, when life happens, you don't panic. You don't go into debt. You just handle it. This is what keeps you from going back into bad debt. Build the fortress first, then we attack. Step 7 is the secret that separates winners from everyone else. And it's shockingly simple. Automate. Here's the truth. You will not remember to move money around every month. Life gets busy. You get tired. You get distracted. But automation doesn't get tired. Set it up once and your money works while you sleep. Automate your savings. Automate your investments. Automate your bill payments. Schedule everything for right after payday. The magic phrase, pay yourself first. Before you see the money, it's already gone to where it needs to be. This one change will do more for your wealth than any investing strategy ever could. Step 8. Stop it with the 3% to your 401k. I'm going to be blunt. That's not enough. If you're investing 3%, bump it to 5%, then 6%, then 8%. Target 15% minimum. But I can't afford it. I hear you. Start small. Even going from 3% to 4% is a 33% increase in your investing. Do that every 6 months. Here's the math that'll blow your mind. Over 30 years, investing 15% instead of 3% at 8% returns means having 7 times more money. You don't build wealth by thinking. You build wealth by consistently putting more in the market. It's not sexy, but it works. Step 9. Take every advantage your job offers. Most people leave thousands on the table. 401k match? That's free money. If they match 4%, contribute 4% minimum. That's an instant 100% return. 1/3 of people don't do this. Don't be one of them. ESPPs? Getting your company stock at a 15% discount? That's free money. HSA? Triple tax advantage. Free money. Educational benefits? They'll pay you to learn. Free money. Most people chase new opportunities before they use what's already at their fingertips. Check your HR benefits. Today. There it is. Your complete 9-step money reset for 2026. 1. Do your money wrap 2. Know your 11 numbers. 3. Audit and eliminate waste. 4. Create your written plan. 5. Destroy bad debt. 6. Build your emergency fund. 7. Automate everything. 8. Increase your investing rate. 9. Maximize free money. Here's the truth. Most people will watch this video, nod along, and do nothing. Don't be most people. Pick one step, just one, and do it this week. Then come back and do the next one. Drop a comment below and tell me which step you're starting with. And if you got value from this, share it with someone who needs to see it. 2026 is your year, but only if you take action. Let's get it.